Bidragon boiler covers an area of more than 300 acres. Workshop 8万平方米 has more than 500 employees, engineers, and technicians. Our main products are all kinds of steam boilers, hot water boilers, thermal boilers, molten salt furnace, and more than hundreds types of pressure vessels, warhead coal-fired boilers, biomass-fired boilers, gas or liquid oil-fired boilers, and also electrical boilers, etc. Our boilers have exported to many countries, such as Bangladesh, South Africa, Chile, Argentina, Colombia, Ecuador, Guatemala, and so many other countries all over the world. Ecuador thermal oil furnace shipment. This coal-fired biomass thermal oil furnace is used for textile and clothing manufacturing.